This is a small little trail over at Dos Picos campgrounds. We're doing not a very big one. I think it ends at like 0.9 miles. It's a loop around. So we'll see how it turns out. It's a good trail to get your legs moving, warm up. My wife right there. Just gonna take this around, see where it goes. First time I'm on this trail. Okay, more stairs. This is a nice little workout for such a small trail. Oh yeah.
Steps are big. Those short little legs can't get up.
Here.
I got it.
I should have videotaped that. You know that's on my video.
Oh.
Okay. I'll get back to you when we hit the pond. And I decided to record a little bit more. This is really nice. It's really pretty. It looks like we got some boulders to go over. Follow my steps, I'll do it. Okay, yeah. But this is definitely unique. Huh. There's the campground down there. We're over by that building right there to the right of it. Right and behind it. Oh, did you see that lizard fly by? Okay, baby steps. Go left or right. Okay. My wife's kind of short. She's only 5'2", so those boulders and steps are huge for her to step up over. Okay. Here's a bench. Ooh, that was a big lizard. Let's see if I can see it still. There it goes. You see it?
Oh, wow.
That's a big old lizard.
Was it a lizard?
Now let's see if I can get a bigger picture of it. He's in there somewhere. I don't think I lost him. But hopefully you guys saw him. There we go. That was a huge lizard. That's the biggest one I've seen in a long time. Oh, more steps.
Well, at least these are manageable.
Yep. Later on, I'll make another video of us setting up camp or doing camp once we have a camp set up. This is actually my wife and my first time actually going camping officially. Okay, I'll get back to you guys when I get to the pond. There you go. You see the lizard? Yeah, it's really cool. I don't think he'll last long. I think he'll leave in a minute. See how close I can get to him. He's smaller than the one that other one. That other one was huge. Yep, there he goes. I'm gonna just keep you jumped up on here. Let's bring you back out. There we go. It's a pretty cool trail. I haven't hit the pool yet, or the pond yet, but we should be getting there pretty soon. Watch your step. Ooh, look at those beautiful flowers right there. Wow, summer is definitely here. Wow. These are pretty. They smell pretty too. Oh, we're at some kind of peak. Okay, we made the top. I guess everything else is downhill.
I don't see no pond.
Me either. It's got to be down there. So let's look. Okay. Okay, these steps are getting bigger. You got it?
Careful.
Didn't see that hole. Ooh, this one's a big one, Yvonne. If you go sideways, it's easier.
I know.
I'm fine. Sand is a little slippery. Oh, not slippery here. We must be close to the pool or the pond.
Why?
It's starting to get wet. Oh. Okay. But like the cool breeze. I get way too much layers of clothes on. I can take off some of this. Get back to camp. You got it? Okay. So we have a choice. We can do this trail, or we can go to the down here
Pond.
to the campground and pond.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep on this way. I want to see the pond.
Oh, you're probably gonna regret that. I don't think that.
There's no water.
Yeah. Walk on the side. You can walk on the side here. Okay, let me put you down because I want to make sure I'm balanced.
Yeah.
Made it to the pond. I almost forgot to videotape because we came from that way. We're literally just going to walk around the entire pond. It's really pretty. I got these ducks. I have no clue what kind of ducks they are. But there's his home.
I need the knife! Hurry up!
I wanted to record this because there's a little baby. We find it. There's Mama. And baby is right there. That is so cool. Here's a good picture. I'm going to zoom in a minute. This is the other side of the pond. It's a pretty big pond. There's enlarged so you can see all the ducks. A lot of ducks over on this side. Look, there's a white one coming out of the side. Pretty cool.